Dear students, let us continue the properties of rational number. In the previous videos, we have studied about the properties of rational number, closure property and commutative property. Now we are going to discuss about the associative property. So at first, we have to know how can we identify that the given numbers are in associative form. For that, suppose we are having three rational numbers like this: a by b, c by d and e by f. If these numbers are written in this form, a by b plus c by d plus e by f, if this is changed in this way, a by b plus c by d plus e by f, then this is called, the form is in associative. This is the associative form. So if we will put here the numbers at the place of a by b, if you will put the number in the fraction like 2 by 3, 3 by 4 and calculate them, you will see that both side, left hand side and right hand side will be equal. So you can say that associative property is applicable in the case of rational number. So this is the associative property of addition. In case of subtraction, things will be a little bit different. It means that if we write in this way, a by b minus c by d minus e by f, and here a by b minus c by d minus e by f. After calculating, you will see that the result will not be equal. It means that left hand side and right hand side will not be equal. Therefore, this is not applicable. Next one is, after subtraction there is multiplication. In the case of multiplication, things will be like this. This will also applicable because after getting the numbers here in the rational number, calculating of the rational number, you will see that the result will be same. Left hand side, right hand side will be equal, so it is also applicable. But the last one, in the case of division, it is not applicable. Not applicable. So this is about the associative property, and after this, next property is distributive property. Distributive property is like this, कि if you will see any number in this form, suppose here is a and in the bracket it is written b plus c. Usually you write this number in this way, ab plus ac. It means a is taken common here, so the form is like this. If the numbers are written in this form, taking the common like that, then it is considered as distributive property. In the terms of the rational number, it can be written in this way also. Okay, a by b into c by d plus e by f. Here also, after multiplication, ac by bd plus ae by bf. So if it is written in this form, this is the addition property and this will be applicable. So just write applicable like this. In the case of subtraction also, it is applicable. At the place of positive, at the place of plus sign, you can write the minus sign, and after getting the number, you can calculate them. You will see that the results will be same. So distributive property is this. Few more properties are also there about the rational number, which are very important to know, and those are number 1, additive inverse. Very simple, additive inverse. Suppose you have given a number p by q, any number, the additive inverse of this number is minus p by q. A rule is there, but just